Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you some things about this LED replacement for high intensity discharge lamps, and then I will show you the startup of this lamp. So we have here this LED lamp and also the box from this lamp. And as you can see, so this LED lamp is from Philips. The name of this lamp is TrueForce LED Urban Lamp. This lamp has 21 watts with 2850 lumen and 3000 Kelvin. So this LED lamp has bright and slightly warm white light. RA, I mean the color rendering index, is 80 from 100. This means that the color rendering is good. We have here also this EM and mains, and this means that you can use this LED lamp only with mains, of course, but when you want, so you can use this LED lamp also with magnetic ballast, but without any external igniter. And you can't use this lamp with electronic ballast. The base is E27. The nominal lifespan is 50,000 hours with also 50,000 switching cycle. This lamp isn't dimmable, and IP is 65, as you can see here. IP is the international protection, and this first number, 6, is the level of protection from other objects and from sand. And this second number is the level of protection from water. And these two numbers, 6 and 5, are pretty high. And this means that this LED lamp has very good protection from all these things. So this lamp is very good for outdoor use. But when you want, so you can use this LED lamp also indoor. And as you can see, so this LED lamp is just plastic on this top side and also on this bottom side, but this body, as you can see on these walls here, here, and also here on this other side, is just aluminum. And this body is also under these three corners with these LEDs here and here and here. And as you can see, so these LEDs are coated with this yellow phosphor layer, and thanks to this yellow phosphor layer, we will have this very nice and slightly warm white light. And these LEDs are under this transparent and plastic cover. And thanks to these three corners with these LEDs, we will have light with 360 degrees. And this LED lamp has also 3 holes. Here, here, and here. And these holes go through this lamp. And thanks to these holes, we will have better airflow and also better cooling. And this is very good thing because these LEDs produce some heat. Okay, that's it. And now I will show you the startup of this LED lamp. So let's do it. As you can see, and as I said before, so we have bright and slightly warm white light. Is very nice. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and bye.